Hey, are you guys ready to take an awesome walk with me and create some great sentences along the way? Sure you are. So let's go. Did you hear that wonderful bird greet us? Yes. Just look at these wonderful trees. And these beautiful rocks. Do you know what this white stuff is growing on this ledge? It's lichen. This is a specimen tree. It's been growing since the early 1900s. Look how amazingly tall it is. Oh look, here's something you can research later. A white basswood tree. Let me know what you find out later. I hope you are enjoying all the beautiful sounds of nature, like I am. This amazing pathway goes on for at least 10 miles. Look at this vine. This vine on this tree is just simply amazing. I wonder what's living inside this hole in this tree. I'm sure you have some pretty good guesses. Such a beautiful creek. I just love water. How about you? Now this is interesting. This is the bottom root of a very large tree that fell over. Oh, look what I found. It's a beautiful squirrel. He's busy eating something. Can't quite make out what it is. He's simply beautiful. What do you think? Look at these tall trees. I wonder how old they are. What's your guess? Let's take a closer look at these wild berries growing on these trees. I wonder if they're safe to eat. Look at all these wonderful rocks. I just love rocks. I'm just so fascinated with them. Do you like that one? Or perhaps this one? Or what about this one? Do you know what type of rock this is? Tell me your guess in the comments. This shrub is so beautiful, and it's actually pretty soft. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that awesome walk as much as I did. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe and share. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.